Oh, the Things You Can Think by Dr. Seuss. You can think up some birds. That's what you could do. You can think about yellow or think about blue. You can think about red. You can think about pink. You can think up a horse. Oh, the things you can think. Oh, the things you can think up if only you try. If you try, you can think up a guff going by. And you don't have to stop. You can think about schlop. Schlop, schlop. Beautiful schlop. Beautiful schlop with a cherry on top. You can think about gloves. You can think about snubs. You can think a long time about snubs and their gloves. You can think about Kitty O'Sullivan Krause in her big balloon swimming pool over her house. Think of black water. Think up a white sky. Think up a boat. Think of blues blowing by. You can think about night, a night in and up. The birds are asleep and the 3 moons are up. You can think about day, a day and a dake. The water is blue and the birds are awake. Think and wonder. Wonder and think. How much water can 55 elephants drink? You can wonder. How long is the tail of a zong? There are so many thinks that a thinker can think. Would you dare yank a tooth of the rink-rinker-fink? And what would you do if you met a jaboo? Oh, the thinks you can think. Think of Peter the postman, who crosses the ice once every day, and on Saturdays twice. Think. You can think anything that you wish. Think of a race on a horse on a ball with a fish. Think of light. Think of bright. Think of stairs in the night. Think a ship. Think up a long trip. Go visit the Vipper of Vip. And left. Think of left. And think about beft. Why is it that beft always goes to the left? And why is it so many things go to the right? You can think about that until Saturday night. Think left and think right, and think low and think high. Oh, the thinks you could think up, if only you try.